Hello everybody and welcome to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum Part 2. It is me Omkar, your usual host, and let's begin. And today and in the last episode we got introduced into the Sinnoh region, introduced us to our rival. We named Justin, and today we're gonna start off and collect our starters. So as you know that I got out of his house and waited on here, and when I got some ahead there was he standing, so let's go and talk to him. Too slow. Alright, let's get moving to Professor Ruben's lab. What? Don't go to grass, right? No worries, no problem. It doesn't matter what we don't have any Pokemon. Trust me on this one, I've got an idea. Now listen, you know how wild Pokemon jump out when you go into tall grass? So what you do is you scoot over to the next patch of grass before any wild Pokemon can appear. If we just keep dashing, we can get to Sand Gym Town without running into wild Pokemon. Okay, stick with me. On your marks, hold it. You don't seem to have any Pokemon between you. Then what is the meaning of going into tall grass? Justin ... Professor ... Hey Omkar, this old guy, it's Professor Ruben, isn't it? What's he doing here? Professor, they tried to go into tall grass because they wanted Pokemon. What to do? The world would surely change if they were to meet Pokemon. Is it right for me to put them on that path? ... Wow, you truly love Pokemon, do you? Yes, yeah, we love Pokemon, man. Me too, I love Pokemon too. I will ask you once again, you truly love Pokemon, do you? What? You can ask 100 times. The answer will never change. We'll both answer 100 times. We love Pokemon. Right, Omkar? Yeah, man, I like Pokemon. It's fine, fair game. A pair of reckless kids who foolishly try to enter tall grass without Pokemon of their own. It worries me what people will like to do with Pokemon. Well, then forget about me, but give a Pokemon to my friend here. I mean, it was me who tried to go into the tall grass and all. Tall, how big of you. Very well then, I will introduce you to with Pokemon. Apologize for putting you through that exercise. However, you must promise me that you will never recklessly endanger yourselves again. Now then, now where? And hey look, it is Dawn. I know from the anime. Professor Ruben, you left to briefly at the lake. Oh, is it something wrong here? There it is, Dawn. Nice work. What I was about to do was entrust these two with their own Pokemon. Pardon? Those Pokemon are hard to replace. Are you sure about giving them away? We exist side by side with Pokemon. There comes a tiny place when people should meet Pokemon. There is a world that should be explored together. For them, today is that time, the place, right here. Go on, open the briefcase and choose a Pokemon. Really, Professor Ruben? I can't believe it. I'm so happy right now kicking this straight face. Hey Omkar, you can choose first. Hey, I'm practically a grown-up. I have to show some class here. So this is the moment, guys. We're gonna pick our starter. What's it gonna be, guys? Let's look into that briefcase. Look, these are Pokeballs. There's Pokemon in each one. Now choose which Pokemon will it be. Okay, so this is Turtwig. This is Chimchar, and this is gonna be Piplup. So I know my choice. It's obviously Chimchar. Yep, we're gonna go with Chimchar. Then I choose you. I'm picking this Piplup. Very well. Both of you have chosen a good Pokemon, it seems. Now listen well. The Pokemon you have been interested with are unfamiliar with the world. In the regard, they must like you. As fellow newcomers to the world, I'll hope you will do well together. If you have any trouble, come see in my lab in Sand Gym Town. And now we'll be on our way. Wait for me, please. I'm sorry, please let me pass. So we have received our starters and I don't know what's gonna happen, literally. I mean, how do you like that? Professor Ruben's really nice. On TV seems to stern and scary. What is he doing now? Hey, Omkar, we got both Pokemon now. There's only one thing to do, right? Are you up for this? Yes. The time has finally come. Omkar, challenge you to battle. And here we are, our first battle in the Sinnoh region. It's gonna be against our rival. He seems very angry for some reason. But I don't know, he's gonna send out Piplup. We're gonna have Chimchar. And our first battle is on our way. Let's use Scratch because it's the only move we have. He's gonna use Growl, which is gonna be lowering our attack. What in the? That one hurt you? Leer. I'm gonna use Leer. He's gonna use Growl. Oh god. I should probably attack right now because if he just keeps growling me, I have to keep leering him and I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. I don't really know. So let's just use Scratch for now. Let's see. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. Seriously, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, this might take a while. This might take a while. I'm not kidding. This might take a while. Okay, we're gonna use here. We're gonna use growl. Just stop growling, dude. Just stop growling at me. This is gonna be difficult. I'm going to scratch. I'm gonna use growl. So stop using growl, you stupid piece of. I don't know. Okay, so here is not doing that much, so we have to keep scratching this guy now. Okay, if we just do it teensy weensy but we can easily KO this because since he doesn't have any potions or anything, so yeah, we can easily KO him. He's gonna use pound, that does 4 HP. Okay, we're almost just a couple of scratches now. Okay, I think 1 scratch or 2 scratch. Okay, now 6. We're gonna use scratch. Is it gonna KO? Yes, it is. And we have defeated our rival in the first battle. Oh yes. Chinchar gains 70 XP points. That's gonna take him to level 6. Nice. Nice level up. 10. Oh, we're halfway through level 6 now. What are you saying? We ended up losing. We got 500 Poké Dollars for winning. Mew, let's go home. I'm beat after that battle. My Pokemon needs rest too. See ya, Omkar. Oh, acha, we're back home. What's our mom doing? I don't know. What's the matter, dear? Wow, that's what happened to you. When Justin and I lucky to meet Professor Rowan. I imagine if you didn't, I wouldn't have liked to think the wild Pokemon might have gone with you too. Omkar, go see Professor Rowan and think him properly for your Pokemon. The lab is in Sand Gym Town, isn't it? Now that you have your own Pokemon, the tall grass won't be so threatening. I know. So we received the running shoes, which are way more nice than just walking around. Going to Sanjam Town is like an adventure itself, right? With those running shoes, you can get to far away places much faster. Okay, let me read the instructions. Press the B button and dash about faster than ever before. Mom, I actually know about the running shoes, so just... Okay, so these are frequently nice. These are pretty good running shoes, I mean, on my part. And hey, Justin. Too slow, Omkar. I'm sick of waiting. I'm going to see Professor Rowan so I can make him properly. So I had this great idea. Listen up, okay? You know the lake where all this play at? You know how they say a legendary Pokemon lives there? You guessed it. That's our Pokemon. They'll make Professor Rowan happy. I'm sure of that. Me and you together, we've got nothing to fear. Okay, so I think we need to go to the lake or something. Now, route to 120 found. So, I don't know which part of grass is it? Verity Lake found. So, this Lake Verity or something like that. Let's just read it. Lake Verity ahead. According to legend, this lake is home to the being of emotion. It's because of this Pokemon that people experience sorrow and joy. Oh, that is nice. I mean, I wonder which Pokemon is that. Alright, we're at the lake. Get ready because we're capturing that legendary Pokemon. Trust me on this one. It's here. Even says so on the sign. Okay, so by going in on Verity Lakefront, what's going on? And hey, there's a man supposed to be in some sort of suit with blue hair. The flowing time, the expanding space. I will make it all mine one day. Cyrus is my name, remember it. Until then, sleep while you can, legendary Pokemon of the lake bed. Okay, he's coming at us now. Allow me to pass, step aside. Okay, that was weird. Okay. What was that about? Weird guy. Okay, Omkar, let's catch that legendary Pokemon. Yeah. What? It's the Pokemon's growl or something? I don't know. I think it's a cry or something like that. Justin, did you hear that, Omkar? That was the legendary Pokemon crying. That had to be it. Okay, this is a chance. Let's catch it. Wait, what? We don't have anything on us. You know, Pokeballs, P-O-K, accent balls. What? If we don't have those, we can't catch Pokemon or take them around with us. Do you think Professor Rowan gave us something when he asked me? You know, remember what he said, don't you? He said to visit his lab if he needed anything. Okay, Omkar, I'll wish you. First one to the Professor's lab in Sand Gym Town rules. So we're now supposed to go to the Sand Gym Town because apparently we need Pokeballs to catch the legendary Pokemon. Now it's a legendary Pokemon, man. How are you gonna catch with Pokemon? Seriously, I mean. So it's a patch of grass right here, so we don't have any Pokeballs and we're gonna battle wild Pokemon. Yes, I know. And hey, it's a Bidoof. It's a disgusting Bidoof because I hate Bidoofs. You know, their face is always ugly or something. and I watched a couple of times a video like it tells us about a Bidoof or whatever. I don't remember it, but yeah. Okay, so Scratch is doing some couple of damage on this guy, and oh, it's a critical hit. That is not nice. Since we don't have any potions or anything on us, we gained 24 XP points, and that's gonna stay on level 6. This is gonna be easy, I think. I don't think any more trainers are gonna appear since it's just the beginning. And here it's a Starly. It's a female Starly. I said I didn't have Intimidate. So about my Pokemon team, I know which Pokemon I'm gonna catch it. I know at which time I'm gonna catch him, because just give you a hint, there are already 2 Pokemon that I'm gonna use at the start of this playthrough after upgrading the Pokeballs. And I'm also really sorry because I just abandoned his last video and I didn't get my starter Pokemon in that. I'm very sorry for that, but we got a starter Pokemon and I'm gonna head out. We grew to level 7 and we learned Ember, our first fire type move, which is also special type move, if I'm not wrong. I don't really know, if an attack is special or physical. Sometimes it's just the appearance of the attack, like Ember. I'm just gonna run away from this video because I'm gonna fight him right now. I'll grind up later. I don't need grinding because it's just the start. Route 201 Sand Gym. Oh, so we're here in Sand Gym now. And Hedge, Dawn. Oh, there you are. Please come with me. The professor is waiting. This is it. A Pokemon research lab. Let's go. Turn. What the? Oh, it's you, Omkar. That old guy is not scary as much as he's totally out there. Oh, it doesn't matter, Omkar. I'm out of here. See you later. So he's already obtained the Pokeballs or something like that. Wow, what was that? Your friend sure seems to be really impatient. Well, anyway, let's go inside. Well, look who's here. Omkar, was it? Let's have a look at your Pokemon. This Pokemon seems to be rather happy. Interesting, but that Chimchar was no mistake, it seems. Well, would you like to give it a nickname? Yeah, I would like to give it a nickname. I've been thinking of this nickname for a while, but I'm gonna name him. It's gonna be a very funny name. I'm gonna name him after somebody. I don't remember who, but we're gonna name him Chuck. After not that Chuck from Angry Birds, so right, not that Chuck, definitely. Okay, I see. Are you happy with that nickname? Yeah. When I first saw you two about stepping into tall grass with a Pokemon, I was shocked. I was astounded by these foolhardy children. But now you've astounded me in an entirely different way. Already there is a bond growing between you and that Pokemon. I feel privileged to have met you. I'm sure Chimchar feels the same way about you. That's why I asked you to cherish that Chimchar of yours. I'm so glad you're the kind towards Pokemon. If you weren't, I would have to just can't say it. Let's move on to the main topic. There is something I want you to do for me. Allow me to properly introduce myself first. My name, as you know, is Ruben. I study Pokemon. First of all, I want to know exactly what kinds of Pokemon live in the Sinnoh region. To do so, it is necessary to collect the data using the Pokédex. This is what I wish to ask of you. I want to invest you with this Pokédex. Will you use it to record data on all the Pokemon in Sinnoh for me? Yeah, man, we can do it. Good answer. We obtained the Pokédex. Nice. Our Pokédex is a very high-tech device. It will automatically record data on every kind of Pokemon you encounter. Omkar, I asked you that you go everywhere and meet every kind of Pokemon in this region. I've got one too. When you walked up around 2-1 with your Pokemon, what did you feel? I lived for 60 long years. Every now I get a thrill. I'm with Pokemon. Now you should know that there are countless Pokemon in this world. That means there are just as many thrills waiting for you out there. Now go, Omkar, your grand adventure begins right now. So the Pokemon that I met for the first time was a Turtwig. If you would have chosen a Turtwig or a Chorwan, we'd have the same Pokemon now. Not that it matters, but anyway, I'm done. Also, the professor add pages to the Pokédex. So in a sense, I'm just like you. I just got a little head start on you, that's all. I'll be happy to teach you things. Glad to meet you, Omkar. Okay, so we have received the Pokédex. And I don't know, we didn't receive our Pokeballs till right now. Look at this, yep, Pokeballs. We don't have our Pokeballs. I don't think that Dawn introduced us to the, the main things that are supposed to in this world. And there she is. Oh god! What the hell, Rowan? I have something good here. You should take this as well. The other team 27. Watch it. Return or something, because I know Return because I used to play Pokemon Fire and it was the same team. That is a technical machine. That one contains the move Return. Using a technical machine, or TM for short, teaches move instantly to a Pokemon. Bear in mind, however, that a TM is a single use only. The move Return gains the power the more friendly a Pokemon is with you. It's up to you, of course, if you want to use that TM or not. I'll send you off with a wish that your journey will be fun. Thank you, Professor Robin. Oh wow, I didn't know the professor had TM, but he's a trainer when he was young. Okay, I'll act as your mentor. I've got a bit more experience than you as a trainer, as the professor's assistant. Okay, follow me. Okay, so we're falling down now. This building with a red roof is the Pokemon Center. It's the place that heals Pokemon that you have never hurt in battle. You can find a Pokemon Center in most towns. Now this is the Pokemon. I know, girl. What do you think? I have played Pokemon before. This building with the blue roof over here is the Pokemon. It's a shop you can buy and sell items and medicine. Okay, Omka, since you're a novice trainer, you won't be able to buy any merchandise. Don't let it bother you. Sorry for my accent. It's just how we can replace a girl's voice. Okay, that's right, Omkar. I don't really need your family. Know that you're going to be helping Professor Rowan with the Pokédex. You may need to go far away, so I think you should let someone know. Okay. Oh, but before you go, heal up your Pokemon at the Pokemon Center. It'll be a lot less scary that way. Okay, bye now. So Don has introduced us to the, the normal routine here. I don't know, whatever I'm gonna say. And again, I'm sorry for my accent, but Don is just I can't, really bear with my voice. So we just heal up our Pokemon. Thank you very much, Nurse Joy. I don't hope you joy. Okay. So let's just what did Don said that we need to go to inform our mom about that. Yeah, let me just close this ledge. We have to come back to Sanjam Town anyways. So okay, we did not encounter any single Pokemon. That is nice. That is so nice right now. So we just go to our house and let's figure out what my mom has to say. Mommy? Wait a second. Why am I do that? Sorry. Welcome home, Mom. Are you on Pokemon healthy? Take a quick rest, dear. Just don't tell me that I didn't need you to come here. What is it, Omkar? Wow, Professor Rowan has to do something that big. Okay, dear, go for it. Your mom's got your back. Oh, I knew, Omkar. I've got something that you will find useful. You opening the journal. Nice. Journal. What's that gonna do? We're gonna write on something now? That's a journal. It keeps a record of your daily events. Check it and you'll be able to remember what you did last. Gee, a journey full of adventure. I know you, kiddo. Plus, you're not alone. You have a Pokemon with you. I wish I could go instead. I'm just joking, dear. Yup, Omkar. I'll be alright by myself. So you go and enjoy adventure. When you're exposed to new things and experiencing new sensations, it makes your mother happy too. But come back sometimes. I would like to see the kinds of Pokemon you've caught, dear. And here's Justin's mom now. Excuse me, is my little Justin here? Oh, no, do not. Oh, they must have left already. What to do? The boy shouted about going on an adventure, then he bolted. He sure is strong and reckless. I at least want him to take this. Not to worry, Omkar will deliver that to him. Won't you, Omkar? Yeah, I would. I mean, he's my friend, Oh, really? You don't do that for me? Omkar, please take this chest from me. You obtained the parcel. What's in the parcel? Food? I don't know. Bye-bye, Omkar. Enjoy your adventure. Justin, let me think. Knowing my boy, he would probably head straight to Jubilife City. Okay, please take this to my Justin. Okay, so we have ended our conversation with our friends and my mothers, and so she said that he's going to Jubilife City. So I think that's where we should go next. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like it. I'm sorry with my accents. Just let me know what I did wrong. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.